Professor Pete here. It's week 11, and this is lighting and rendering. We are moving along, and this is your third assignment. We need to get some models. So, as we've done in previous assignments, we need to get assets. If you want to model, you can, but this is a lighting and rendering course. So let's just jump right into it. I'm using CG Trader, and I've been using it for a little bit, and there's a lot of free models on here. So I'm using this one as an example. It's going to be the 3ds zip file that I'm going to use and demonstrate. So for this week, you want to get your Arnold shaders in check. Make sure that everything is working. Here we are in the software, and you can see that the object comes in pretty clean. There's only about 13 different polygon groups, and I'm going to just go in and make sure that my settings look fine, and also make sure that the renderer is set to Arnold. Once it's set to Arnold, we have no problem linking Arnold shaders to the different materials here. And so I'm just going to go to the material editor, and I'm going to start applying Arnold shaders to different parts of this building. So again, there's 13 pieces, and I will go ahead and start doing that. So physical material, and now go to max to A, and I think for this piece I will go with a clay. Double click on that, and as you remember, base color is probably the most commonly used. I think I will go with a funner, more happier color. So this may be muted gray. So I'll just drag that in. It's called clay. I'm going to use clay quite a bit, and I'm going to differentiate by color. So there we go. For the ground, I will use a ceramic. So there's ceramic, and I'll click and drag that to there. Change the color. So just for the purpose of time, I've gone ahead and added all the Arnold shaders to the building, and I changed some colors around until I was happy. So there's some glass, there's ceramic, there's clay. You can use rubber and plastic as well. This is it rendered out. I'm not too worried, and you shouldn't be either, of terms of the lighting. It's really blown out. We'll fix that in the coming weeks. We'll use HDR lighting for the environment, and then we'll place proper environment with the building using Photoshop. So again, this took about 35 seconds to render, and we've got Arnold onto the building. So that's all you got to do for this week, I think. If you want to continue moving forward, I'll go ahead and start looking at HDR images from hdrhaven.com and try to find something that matches the HDR image from there and a potential background that you could place with your building or whatever it is that you want to render. So pretty short video, and that's all. So Professor Pete out. Keep learning.